Oh my god. So, uh, right now, I am finally moving into my new house with my three little dogs. Let's go. So, I think this is the pet shop. Yeah, I think that's the pet shop. There's two houses. Oop, no, I bet not run because if is this my house? I'm pretty sure they said that this was my house. The one with the no windows. Did they say that mine? That they think that they said that I had something in my mailbox. No. Oh, I live at 1 Katrina Street. This is 1 Katrina Street. That's 2 Katrina Street. Ooh, so, uh, let's go. Oh my god, guys. Come on. I guys see your room. So, dog, get back in. So, you just, just um. So, come on. Oh, you disgraceful. Excuse me. Which one let me see? Move. Oh my god, I get to change your thing. Okay, so there's one called sitting near you and new house. I'm gonna push you to your bed because you need to go on your bed. Get on your bed so I can explore. Thank you. You. There. Okay, bye, doggies. Whoa, I like how they put lights in my thing. I like how they put lights. There's my phone. I don't know, it's a rocket. What's in here? OMG, my bathroom. So my sink, I think that is, and then my shower. Towel. Fine. Give me one towel. One towel. Guys, my volume might go funny because I'm just putting my headphones in my ear. There. Can you hear me now, guys? I'm just gonna turn my volume up. So, I'm gonna get changed. So, I'm wearing this today. Now, let's go check on my dogs. Should I go to sleep? Well, the heck? Why did I get changed? Wait, is it nighttime? Oh. Wait, is that? I went to bed. I just had another nap. Good morning, doggies. Do you want your food? Yep, you want your food? Yeah, you want your food, don't you? Oh, did I give you all three? What? No. No, no, no. They made a puppy. A puppy. They made a puppy. Come here. Oh. The puppy can stay in my bedroom. Yes, the puppy will see you in the morning. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh my god, I'm gonna scream at them for making a puppy on the second day of being here. I'm very disappointed in you two doggies. Especially when we just literally just moved in. And I opened the door. You've been a good girl. I'm very disappointed in you for making a puppy on our second day being here. Wait, I need to put... But it doesn't matter, at least we have a new member of the family. Right, so I need to explore a bit. Are you okay here? Yeah, I'm sure. I need to explore a bit because, well, if I don't explore, then my crafting table, okay, my counter, furnished to cook something. There's nothing in there. Then just some. I'm gonna make some grass. Uh, grass. Do you scourge is my lesson? Please stop singing, Olivia. So, I cannot find any grass. So, let's just get right back into the roleplay. Okay, so now that I have done that, um, I think that I'll put some grass down. I'll do this in creative. I'm gonna put in E. I need dirt. So I'm just gonna end it here, guys. Make sure to watch for my next video when I do me basically redoing my garden and my house. Ah! So yes, thank you so much for watching my video. Love you lots. Bye!